Okay, I'm here. I am so sorry. I was actually like hanging my washing up and I was like, oh, I have time. I did not have time. And then I was kind of testing. I'm kind of testing the volume profile as well. So I've been a busy little bee today. A busy bee. Let's just go with a busy bee. How is everybody? Sorry, the fact that everything is out of whack is here, but I am so sorry. I know I'm late, but I am here now. You're not here. Eggs and bacon. Yep. Vake, what's up? Thoughts about Bitcoin? I personally do not trade Bitcoin. Some people might argue that's where we go. We're at the racetrack again. Obviously. What's up, David? How are we doing? Guys, do you see? I didn't even make myself coffee. Yeah, that scream is how I feel. I'm just fine. How you doing? Aw, thanks, Ernest. I'm good. Like I said, I've been kind of dabbling in volume profiles, having a quick look-see. As you can see, I have drawn things out here, seeing how it reacts to which levels. To see it react off of there would be quite interesting later on. Off of this bob level would be nice. Rejection. So I've placed it up. Let's see. I know it kind of looks chaotic at this time in my life. Let's just do that. And then I can just keep this on. Nope. I didn't add the correct one. Sugar honey iced tea. Wait, never mind. Never mind. This goes back down. But that's okay. So let's do a quick top to bottom analysis. Then you best believe I'm gonna run and get coffee. There's already so much I can handle without coffee. But I'll be quick. Hey, what's up? How are we doing? What's that balance at the corner of the screen? That's my balance. What's up? Okay, you're from Cali, California? Cameron Cook, you think we're about to pump? I kind of agree with you, but that being said, I have not even begun to looketh at the chart. So let's not, I don't want to assume things. Daz, what's up? I wanted to say yes. I mean, that's why I kind of set up a long for there. That looks quite intentional. Okay, back into VWAP. Let's quickly see. So first things first, let's check out the daily. Still failed to close with the candle above to mitigate this imbalance. I mean, sorry, I'm rolling my eye because looking at the daily, this sucks. I mean, look at this doji for a daily. What is that? What is that? But it was a bullish doji, so let's see, maybe we are gonna start pumping. Pump it up, pump it up. Oh, that's interesting. We have failed to close beneath this volume imbalance on the daily. But I mean, the daily just looks sideways right now, which is fantastic. Let's check the 4 hour. Okay. Relative equal highs formed. I mean, there is this little bit of N. Let's be correct. I have an imbalance on the lower, or to the bear side. But this is slowly pushing up. This could start to break away. Wait, Alex, the coffee. I need to go and make the coffee. I need to go and make the coffee. I cannot. I cannot without coffee. Never sell and buy, dodge and hold till 2050, retire your whole family. Okay. Volume on top of volume. Hey Hank, what's up? Good morning, welcome back. How you doing? How's the trading going? So Thumper is short. I never understood candles. Okay, Daz, what in particular did you not understand about candles? No worry, market won't fall. It'll trap us at short and it'll go long. Drivers go on? Why do you think that? Louis, you're tall. How tall are you, Louis? I don't believe you. You're gonna have to prove how tall you are. How tall are you? I feel like that's rude. I feel like asking... I just realized I've now just assumed that you are indeed a guy. Are you a guy, Louis? If you are a guy, then what I wanted to say was I feel like asking a man their height is the equivalent of asking a girl their weight. Oh, please, David, please, please, please. 4 hour took previous 4 hour candles low and also has a small wick which aligns with expansion candle. Okay, Cameron. Wait. 4 hour took previous 4 hour candles low and also has a small wick which aligns with an expansion candle. Interesting. See, I really need to start focusing. Sorry, I'm actually gonna, if you don't mind, Cameron, I'm gonna copy and paste that. I'm gonna really start observing. I've been trying to be better at reading just price action in general. I'm not gonna lie. I've been getting better, but it's definitely not my strong point. You know, I'm not afraid to admit that. 5'9", but in Thailand I'm a giant. I mean, that's valid. Hey Debbie, what's up? How you doing? So drive with Kagan, you think it's gonna go to 25100. If you look at the large candles, almost all of them have small wicks. So I have noticed the small wicks, and then there's also someone that has specifically mentioned if there's no wicks. Let's see if there's any no wicks on the 1 hour. Here we go. If there's no wicks, the market always wants to go and correct that. See, so that is something else that someone mentioned, which I thought was very interesting. There's no wicks. There we go. The market always wants to come and correct it. See? So I've been taking note and I have been watching, and if there's candles with no wicks, sometimes, I'm not even gonna lie, sometimes I forget about it and then it goes and it takes it and I'm like, oh, what happened? And then I go, oh, you're an idiot. You should maybe focus on that, but it's okay. 15 minutes. Sorry, I keep getting distracted. But okay, Karen, what are your thoughts about the no wicks? Do you agree with that or me? Because if you do, here's a no wick, so potentially this could come back up to come and take out this high. Ain't some guy. Happy Wednesday. How you doing? South African girls are 6 foot tall on average. No, I don't think so. If that is the case, I am very well below average. Some guy? No, not crazy early. Daylight savings kicked in, so I've kind of shifted everything up an hour now. I just don't need to just 1 or 2 sugars milk. Normally it's like 1 sugar, no milk. If you're talking about coffee. Mike the Gold, how you doing? Yeah, you tell me which point of interest you usually focuses on. Mitigating imbalances or taking out, well, liquidity sweeps. That's basically my main point of interest. Thank you, 7 AM UK. It happens more often than not. Interesting, see? Why are you not taking care of? I'm trying! Bon, what's up? I just have not noticed it when testing either. Interesting. Well, Debbie, maybe try to take a note of it. So here at, where's this? 25213. There's a candle with no wick. See, I mean, you can see here, there was a candle with no wick and it came to be corrected. I don't know, maybe this one took too long to come and be corrected. I've been trying to take note of it. I think the problem is I haven't actively been taking note. I mean, check out this one. Yeah, theoretically, this one should want to be corrected. But again, everything in trading is a probability game. Just because there's no wick doesn't mean 100% of the time it's going to come back and correct it. It just means there's a higher probability that it will. Here, no wick. Let's see. So theoretically, this should come back down to correct it. That being said, here's no wick. Oh, I can see what I'm going to be fixated on now today. Anyways, the wikis. Let's do this. 5 minutes. Looks like so. I've now been so fixated on the wicks. For retracement there. Up is not bad. Okay, and you know, not 1 month, 1 minute. Daylight savings, London, UK. If you're looking for London Open, it's only 7 a.m. here. Some guy, let's not even start with the drama. Can I just say that? Let's not even start with the drama. Either way, I have to ship my morning shift. Did I say ship? I have to shift my mornings up regardless because New York has shifted and I have to be there for New York Open, which means I need to be able to stream for X amount of time and then still have enough time to go to the horses. So yes. Meme, what's up? You're trading gold, that's awesome. Could you teach a little... Wilbert? I sure. What's the board? 2 weeks time? Is that Forex? No, this is not a Forex. Not choose best, sell from top. I'm up working on 2 NQ contracts, targeting 24200 due to 1 CPI. It is CPI today. Thank you for reminding me that, Video Kings. How are you doing, by the way? Interesting. Thanks, Debbie. I'm super curious to see how it goes. I just sold NQ already in profit. Just created my auto trader. Your auto trader strategy. What that? Wait. Okay. Let's. Are you ready for chaos? I'm so sorry. Okay. So I've not marked out anything. So just a heads up. Nothing has been marked out. We even added some. I've added some volume profiles. That was such a juicy. Anyways. So what I want to do is this. Let's start. First of all, mark out previous day high. New York highs were taken. I call this New York high, but it's just previous day high. I'm aware this looks chaotic right now. Okay. I am very well aware of the chaos that this is bringing about. So I do indeed apologize, but here we are. Da, da, da. Yesterday's London low is basically yesterday's New York low as well, so I'll just put them there. There. Close that, close that. Let there be a little less chaos. Now. Meow. Let's zoom in. What have we got? See, no wick taken. Interesting. Sorry. Like I said, we can now see what my fixation is going to be today. Yay for ADHD. Let's do this. We fixate on random things. Just because, I guess. Nah, just because sounds bad, but just because, basically. Itty bitty bit of an imbalance here. Basically, new daily imbalance. You can see how it respected it there. Ooh. Okay, that answered that question. And now let's go. Midnight. Whee! Okay. Midnight open. Imbalance there. Okay, we are now ready, steady. Let's do this thing. So we keep bouncing betwixt that. How does that look? Okay, everything is up and running. Oh, thanks, Alex. Aw, hey High Life, how you doing? Apparently some guy here. It happened on the 8th. The 8th is when it happened. For anyone that's just hopped on.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Okay. So, good morning everyone. Teach me Afrikaans. Well, to be fair, I'm not really Afrikaans and I'm not great at Afrikaans. Putting it out there, so you probably don't want me. I'm asked to be trade for a living. Sure. I like whatever's wrong with you.
Emotional damage.
That's what's wrong with me. Gosh, oh, flip, that was funny. That's interesting. I'm surprised Jason. Can't wait to tell him. Let's see. Cameron, hi. Also have SMT at the lows with Violin. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Augustine, did I win yet? No. There are lots of things wrong with you, AJ Trader. That's fair. That is valid. Sitting here chatting. Okay, sorry. Wait, let's do this. Okay, so 3:11. So let's do 3 a.m. open. I'm very aware that I've been a little bit chaotic. Welcome to the chaos. Yeah, there's 3 a.m. open. Sorry, I'm kind of low-key pulling a face because this is not a great range to be in right now. Let's zoom out slightly. Anything of interest on the daily? I'm trying to be more aware of the volume profiles. Okay, calm down. You're an order flow trader, nice. And Video Kings, how's it going for you? Ding ding, what's up? Fail to hit the like means your trades there will be L's. I don't make the rules. You know, in that case, I'm gonna start pressing this little heart over here because I do not need any more L's. Let's do this. I'm gonna press the little heart. Okay. Now, there we go. AG Trader, you think we're gonna hit Asia low? Sushi? Oh wait, no, Sushil. What's up? There might be consolidation until news. What time is the news? Oh wait. I can see what time the news is. Let's see. 30. Okay. 2:30 SA time is the news. Awesome. Apparently this is the important stuff. So if it is just gonna do that, that low-key sucks, but it's okay. Why? Also great for long-term investors who are looking for passive income. Excuse me, please. No, Michelle. Anyways, Louis. Honestly, Louis. Honestly. That is it. That is it. Even one little win would make me happy today. Let's see though, it is CPI, so we're gonna have to make sure that there is some banger confirmations before taking any trades because it could just be chippy chop, which would kind of suck. Exactly, Blade. CPI today, so we're gonna have to see how this goes. Handy seeing the important news like that, don't you think? It kind of is. I should have maybe realized that a whole lot earlier that was an option, but it's okay. We are all allowed our blonde days, even though I am not blonde. In the right light, maybe there's some blonde highlights somewhere, but that's okay. Sushil, what's up? 100 shares of Giant X Capital when paid. I'm getting $17. That's not bad. Awesome guy, no, but have fun at work. I hope work is going to be amazing. Jason Frank, what's up? MJ Trades, how long am I live? I have basically just hopped on. I'm live until around 6 a.m. EST. So basically like another 2.5 hours, depending on obviously the market, but yes. You trade options, but you don't try and read charts. See, that is so interesting, and so many people are like, oh, you have to know how to read the charts, and then other people are like, no, you don't. So then, Daz, what do you look for? You're light gold, sandy brown, but not blonde. Wait. 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 In the right light, this looks, there we go. There it looks blonde. In the right light, my hair gets blonde highlights, depending also on how damaged the hair is, but it's okay. We're gonna just focus on the fact that my excuse is that I'm sometimes blonde because in particular lights, I sometimes look like I have blonde highlights. So it's okay. Okay, so let's do this. Right click on chart, settings, events, check the economic events, and it'll highlight it on the chart. What part of the world am I trading from? I am South African. I'm in South Africa currently. How's it going? Down by the beach? Beach? You got color shifting hair. I am magical, guys. Maybe you guys are gonna have to start calling me Rapunzel, because she's got magic glowing hair. I'm joking. I'm completely joking. It literally is just all about light. But yeah. And I think it's also because it's natural. Like, these are not, you know, I didn't go to a hairdresser for this. I get natural blonde highlights, particularly when I have a lot of sun. You're distracting us. I'm so sorry, Buffalo Soldier. I'm so sorry. Lots of South African prop trader YouTube really? Okay, let's ask this then. How many of them are legit? I know Iris is legit. Iris is super cool. You should check her out. She's such a sweetie pie. Solid rejection off of that level. Is that 3M open? Ugh. Who said I'm distracting you from the charts? To be fair, there's not much going on in the charts right now. This is Chip Chop City. Chippy choppy, chippy choppy. Anyways. Nice chart, good entry. TP 24800. Oh, TP at 24800. I thought you said entry and I was like, what? Okay, 24800, interesting. Let's play a fight with the dip it in lemon juice, it'll get even lighter. I've heard. So do you know what it also is? It's also because, like, obviously I go and I swim in the ocean. I think that also, like, the salt also has something up. Good distraction, all good. Your breath of fresh air. Oh, nice, I'm glad. I'm glad to help. Ooh, go. I'm trying to see, I know this is maybe cheeky, maybe I'm adding just too much stuff. It's in a weird squeeze, it really is. Hey Leo, what's up? Oh, sorry. Hey Leo, what's up? How are we doing? Yeah, when it's in chop zone, it's good to chop it up conversation-wise, otherwise it gets boring. Exactly, guys, let's just be real. Trading can be boring, especially if you are more mechanical with your trades, as I aim and strive to be. Maybe it's not gonna happen today, maybe it is. I've hopped on with the intention of, let's see how this goes. if a trade doesn't form today, it's not the end of the world. Especially with CPI. I forecast normally, but 1 month options. It works okay. Okay, there we go. I blew my 3rd funded account yesterday. What did I just say? Oh, we all being played. Wait, we all being played? Have you at least had a payout before? Like, I mean, you guys can see how close I am to freaking, blowing this damn funded. Oh, it makes me sad. But in the same breath, it's okay. We just carry on. I really do wish I had the answer for why. Why is it that just that little bit, right? That little difference of funded and eval makes a difference. Do you think it's that, or do you think maybe it's just the market conditions have been crazy? Let's just be real. The market conditions have been a little bit wild with all the drama going on in the world. Back in profit, Louis, you took a trade. Mechanical trading is stress-free, but it's so boring. See, there we go. We should all strive to be bored. I feel like that's a really good way of thinking. I strive to be bored on the charts. Well, I will never be bored on the charts because I got you guys. Pew, 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 but still. Sorry, we all being played. I know that's maybe rude of me to like have a sigh of relief, but it does make me feel better. So thank you. Does it help to also watch me slowly crash and burn with my funded? Don't lie, it kind of makes you feel a little bit better to know it's not just you that's going through it alone, right? And that right there is the whole point of this community. To know that your struggles are quote unquote normal, right? It happens to everyone. So close yet so far. Payout. Okay, having don't you worry, before my first payout, I had started using ATR and it helped me. Interesting. I have to check you out a later date since you're trading. Ours are so different than mine. I'm going to stop for now. I can find you again. Aw, thanks MJ Trades. Well, I mean, do you trade New York session? I'm here during New York as well. Always here. A threat. No, I'm kidding. Hello, sweetie. Oh, that was such a big sigh. Oh, you haven't had a sweetie too. Okay, you get one. Because they're nearly done. Oh no, we're running out of dog sweeties. This thing used to be full. Ate all of them. Because you're cute. Background marketing conditions are part of it, but I think there's a new stress in the subconscious when you first start off in a funded account. I know, because part of me was like, I'm not going to do anything different. And I really thought that I wasn't, but clearly I did, and it's fine. Definitely psychology funded to make you confront deep fear. Oh no. Oh dear. Oh, there we go. Well then, MJ Trades, I can see you during New York. So I only streamed for like 3 hours during London, but I am back for New York. Maybe I should have mentioned that. I am here for New York session as well. Hey, Nene, what's up? Well, it's been going sideways, so hands off for now. Yeah, it took sales I posted in RJ. Ooh, nice to be. Okay, I'll go check it out. Crack Trail, what's up? Delta trades, have you considered deep charts or order flow of any kind? I have looked, not in depth, but I have looked at like book maps and things like that. How do I put this? The thing is to try and help me not overthink so much, which is really, really difficult. So it's almost like the more information I have, the more ammunition I have to make a silly. Does that make sense? Am I just weird? Like, it's good and bad to have a lot of information. And it almost feels like if I have too much information, it almost gives me more to overthink. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm not sure if that makes any sense at all. MI has trading more paper cuts. I see can get frustrating. Yep, patience will pay in the end, and it's impossible to not baby a funded account. It's really hard, Lance, but yeah, it's okay though. It's okay. Hey, Morgan, how you doing? I found that the few people I follow for trading have all had their win rates drop. Interesting. Jackie Brown, thank you. That actually makes me feel better. Trading candlesticks rules like driving mine. I've heard some people say that they prefer it. Obito, what's up? Hey Trax, how you doing? Do I trade only futures? Yes, for now, only futures, only the MNQ. Yeah. Yeah, that's the thing. As a overthinker, every itty bitty little thing almost, it's so frustrating. I almost talk myself out of winning trades. And then, I do not know how, but then I almost, would you say revenge? Ah, yeah, cool. I'll call it revenge trade. I revenge trade the fact that I missed the winning trades, and then I take that trade, and then it's a loss. It's very frustrating. So that's the frustration that I've currently been dealing with. So that's why even if today, I have a feeling London is not really going to be a trade session specifically for my setup, but let's see, anything can happen. I've said this before, and then London just went for it. That's why we sit here and we watch. We can always learn anything from the chop. So I will definitely still be here sitting and watching and waiting. Dun dun dun. But maybe something amazing pops up. Maybe not. If not, it's not the end of the world. Oh, Louis, that is hilarious. JJ, sure, share the source. I do want to learn. I always want to learn. I sound down, really? I am South African. What's up? From Oklahoma, that is awesome. Cheers, MJ. Pass to take profit account, but I'm trying to pass a second before I trade in it. Maybe it'll be... Ooh, that's a good idea, Lance. Because then you have two, so it's like, you have like wiggle room. That's a good idea. I have OCD, knowing too much is a curse. That's like... Good thing my OCD triggers, I'm sorry, I must know everything. Yeah, Blade. So you have OCD, I have ADHD or ADD, whatever, not so much the hyper, well. So then I do, then my thoughts go everywhere, but then it's part of the overthinking. And having ADD also does not help with regards to anxiety and things. I didn't know, I actually didn't know this was a thing. And then one of my psychology, I have a friend that's a psychologist. That's what I was trying to get at. One of my friends who's a psychologist was like, when you have ADHD or ADD or whatever, anxiety is just always there because your brain is constantly overworking as it is. Now add a little bit of stress to that and it just goes ding, and your anxiety is always heightened. I'm like, oh, that's great. That is amazing. Fine, trader life, gain loss. I like that. Oh no, Mike, the God, what happened? That's where the work is. Sometimes it's harder to know you were right and missed it and just walk away. Yeah, and that is what I am struggling with. Dealing with, struggling with, a little bit of both. London, you can't trade it the same way as New York. Crypto manipulation trader, I will agree to disagree. Because I use the same strategy for both. Some days are wins, some days are losses. The strategy does and has the potential to work with both if you use it correctly, which this guy has not been recently, but that's okay. But anyways, our dog just came here. But sorry, the agree to disagree is the fact that New York is a whole lot quicker, so you have to be faster, you have to be more on the ball, and obviously the amount of contracts is less, whereas London session, it can be a similar trade, it just might, instead of taking 2 minutes, take 10, you know. Hammer, what's up? Carbon? What's up, Carbon? That's a cool name. How you doing, Carbon? Might look into Asian and that is very interesting. And is this like a new development since the chaos? I'm just gonna start calling the shenanigans that's happening in the world chaos. OCD and ADD will be best friends. Spiraling out and screaming, make it stop, make it stop. Do you know what? Do you know what actually works? I think it's hilarious. So there's two things. Number one, if you're angry, try and say bubbles in an angry voice. It's impossible, and it is hilarious, and it kind of relieves some stress. So I will try and do it now. Let's say I'm super angry, and I'm gonna attempt to say bubbles in an angry tone, and it's diabolical. Okay, already. Bubbles, no. Bubble, but I can't do it, and it makes you sit there questioning all your life choices. Like, why am I doing this? It is too funny. Anyway, it works with the brain. A big trend line and bigger time frame. So Thumper, you think this is just gonna go to the center of the earth now? It also helps to have one proper account where you follow strict rules no matter what. You have a little more experimental on that of all the energy that could blow the other account. Interesting. That's not a bad idea. Hey, Farley, what's up? Johnson Kaboom. I'm trading the Nasdaq futures, the micros to be exact. So the symbol is MNQ. M for Maya, N for naughty, Q for quiet. Q for cute. There we go. You got it. London always trends in one direction once it chooses the direction. That's interesting. No, it doesn't. I have proof of that. I have proof of that. It does not. Okay, no, but you can't say every day is exactly the same, right? So maybe statistically it tends to trend in one direction once it picks the direction. I will give you that. No. Taking last piece to reverse like New York, but it continues. What are we looking out for before taking action? Just some momentum. Just a little bit of momentum. I need some more fair value gaps and tings to form. Your angry word is snickerdoodle. Snickerdoodle. I always feel like someone's watching me. Who is it? Oh, wait. Okay, chat. I'm heading out. If you're in here, hit the like button, please, and thank you. Oh, MJ Trades is a sweetie. Thanks, MJ. Yeah, guys. MJ says don't forget to press that like button. He's completely offended. Let's not offend our new friend. That's me. Yes, especially the last 2 weeks, most of my losses have come during London and New York morning, in Asia and New York afternoon. That's interesting. London is too unpredictable. That's interesting. I think London's more predictable than New York. Audit stands for Maya never quits. Ah! True. I love that even more. MNQ stands for Maya never quits. That is awesome. I'm stealing that if you don't mind. That is awesome. London is known for being the reversal session of the day. Oh, these conflicting opinions are amazing. These are what I live for. I've had the craziest day and I joined this to hear Maya talking about bubbles. Okay, Sally, what happened? How was it the craziest day? Especially with you. I want to hear how it's the craziest day because you are... Yeah. You have such an interesting life. So if it's a crazy day for you, I'm sure it is insane. Having an account to get out my trading zoomies was really helpful when I started prop trading. Interesting. That is super interesting. I was like, wait, maybe we do now have a little bit of oomph going on. This is the previous day new daily opening gap. It should it still react to this? There's always some debates when it comes to that. Maybe it'll react for a little bit of a pullback going on here. Also, I love trading zoomies, by the way. So that is amazing. Another thing I do to make use of my OCD is very detailed notes when I'm confused or self-doubting. Oh, interesting. I like London more. No, London's something I'll see that is so amazing. London is predictable. You just have to predict the possible New York move in order to see what London may do. It's still based on New York. Okay, elaborate on that one for me. If you don't mind, sorry. I'm just something you want to do. Done for the day. Hammer, whoop whoop. Santi Pereira, what the? How goes it? How goes it? Nope, still not ideal. How does this look on the 5 minute? Okay, well, we headed for Asia low. That's something. Okay. 940 level. Let's see. Well. Okay. This is a very meh trade. So what I've been curious about, right? I know this does not have enough information at all. Is a volume profile on the 1 minute ranges. Sorry. Blade, most of my winners are in pre-London, London. I sometimes avoid New York. I guess it's all down to how someone reads price. English is bad. Perhaps no trade pre-market session. And for I trade MNQ. Oh damn, TP Hitsy, I told you were my good luck charm. Damn, Louis. Then you gotta share them love, seriously. We are done. It's been trading down, although you would wait too long. Time frame London is set. You can trade into higher time frame setup. Interesting. Okay. My thought you would wait too long. Does the platform have an indicator that tells you drawdown limit when you're in a trade? I don't think so. Oh my god. I actually don't know. Guys, does TradingView have an indicator that tells you drawdown limit when you're in a trade? Buffalo, best advice on trading futures. Best advice. Best advice on trading futures. I don't think I have any best advice on trading futures, to be fair. Especially Nasdaq. Nasdaq do be a diva. Just if anyone was wondering, Nasdaq equals diva. Proper diva. Okay, about to take out Asia low. Let's see if we then get a reversal. I want to see after we exit this 940 level. Let me quickly draw something here. Asia low taken. I'm curious. I'm kind of forward testing something, so I know this is not correct and how you should do it, but still the forward testing. Oh, Louis says, yeah, there's one for sure. Debbie says you have to make one. And Hammer says he has not heard of that type of indicator. Extras, Mister, what's up? Why don't you trade in South African market? I don't even know what the South African market is. This is just too much fun for me. I prefer this. Louis scalping strategy. Bye. Nope. Don't have it. Sorry. Oh wait, this one. The 3-minute one. That one. The one right in front of my face. Is that the one you were talking about? They trade lions. No, they do not trade oh my gosh. Don't really have any. Well, definitely none to do with... Okay. What am I looking at? What am I looking at? I have no clue what I'm looking at right now. There's a lot of information there. There's a lot of information there. Oh my gosh. How do I turn it off? Oh, there we go. Use the daylights out of me there. So Asia low taken. Let's see how it reacts now. There's a bunch of orders that have now presented themselves there. On the weekly, that one's better. Oh, I have to get rid of so many of these things. Paula, what's up? Can I trade you for my heart? What's up, Gonzo? How you doing? You were looking at the trade history. You didn't look at your chart. Oh, okay, wait. Let's do this again. Everyone ready for chaos again? And let's go. What? But... I'm confused. What on earth is going on here? What's happening? Does it just say where... Oh, shapes and colors. So many shapes and colors. Shapes and colors. Okay. Great bubble advice. Buffalo, did it help? Pulse triples and hormones that create the dreaded anxiety. Great bubble. Oh, there we go. One point of the control line shifts. Hit the next volume section higher. See, what did it told you where to short? So it tells you where to take trades. Hear me out. Isn't that low-key lazy? Hey, Explore, what's up? So wait, Louis, is that what you use? Well, I cook now. Cook your gifts. Wow. I prefer algo trading. So wait, Louis, so you use that, and it's been working for you? I'm assuming. Yeah. That is so interesting. That is so interesting. I mean, this went solidly bob to bob right now. Totally lazy. No, I don't use it because its win rate is lower than mine. Only by a bit. What's your win rate, Louis? Not your win rate now that you got your lucky charm, but in general, what? I'm kidding. That was so arrogant. I'm gonna stop talking right now. Apollo, your bare face. Sure. I'm watching your bare face. Ever see using volume profile? Try and draw it from the beginning of the Globex session. Hence why I've drawn out the 940 level there to see how it reacts off of this dip here. Drawn it up here, so let's see. Hence all of these different drawings that I have definitely created. I mean, there's a point right there. Here you can see where this reacted off of yesterday. That solid dip that it had yesterday is insane. I was just curious about, yeah, I guess sweet and simply how well it would / could work on a minute. Obviously then the, the information is not as accurate, but still interesting to see. So there's that 940 that's been marked out. Let's see how it reacts. Here, what's that? 999. Yeah, like I said, I'm kind of curious. I'm kind of forward testing this, so I'm not going to be relying on it. No, friends of India. Don't worry, no one could see it. How did you know it was there? I was at 70 now with my lucky charm. I'm at 85, so I'm gonna come watch you trade London Louis. Damn, 85 is insane. Bearing, but I'm looking for bullish moves today. One love Dabber, what's up? Let's see if this goes back up to Bob level. This could go back up to Bob level. Rejection back off of there. Like I said, I'm curious to see about using the 1 minute range. Should I order a Big Mac for you? McDonald's is so far away from where I live. It'll be so cold by the time it gets here. The indicator is just good for confidence. But the cool thing is, if your risk management is on point, sheesh, you'll pay out once every 2 weeks. Interesting. Thanks, Hammer. Yeah, please, 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 please. You need to cut the market into sections. Olgo says click buy. Just do it. Just click that buy button. I mean, decent wicks off of here. See if it goes back up to Bob level now. 351. I'm trying to save up so I can fly to South Africa and ride horses with you. Oh, do it, Louis. Have you ever ridden a horse? Well, I mean, it did just take out Asia low, so it definitely does make sense. Trying to see how and where it reacts off of things. Obviously I know the 1 minute's not ideal. No, you don't use dollars in SA. SA is rands. Yeah, at Griffith Park you can rent a horse. US low right there for the taking, 9% is. So that could be a strong low. If this freaking goes bob to bob again. Toothbrush, what's up? Sibu, what's up? Good morning. I was tempted to try trade a fight, just use your code and support the stream. Thanks for your time. Aww. Thanks, Lance. You were tempted. Why not? They're pretty good. The only problem is, with the eval, it's trailing drawdown, which is rude. But when you're funded, it's end of day drawdown. So that's nice. Toothbrush, I have 2 YouTube live streams running at the same time. Close the position. Tapped into here. There we go. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. If we are gonna start having some decent movements. I guess this is okay. I wouldn't call this decent, but it's fine. Again, I'm not gonna take this. I'm gonna solidly wait for confirmations, especially with CPI happening later. Hey, Alex! No, you can't get a yippee-ki-yay. What you can get, though, is a big, a solid, a whoop-whoop. Oh, Lance! I think you need another whoop whoop. Okay, another whoop whoop for Lance, because that is awesome. Give me a second. It's a prop from Toothbrush. Just wait for all the fireworks. There we go. This one's for Lance. Well done on winning. That is awesome. Okay. $100 book, nice. 60%? What's up, Start Trading Journey? How you doing? Your CPI is already released early. Really? Why? When? It's only later. Was it 2k max loss for a day or... But, well, just drawdown. 2k max loss. In a day, you're allowed $1,250 max loss. I understand why sometimes you seem to talk to another chat. Sorry, Mulgiver. Yeah, there's two. We all did a TP today. Let's go, Maya. Your turn. Guys, yeah, let's see. Aw. Thanks, Lance. I don't trust the stop losses and profit too. I'm gonna get taken out. That's okay. You've got this. Okay. Who votes I should go grab a cup of coffee? Who votes a cup of coffee is a good idea? Just thought. I'm a go. Let's dip coffee. Oh, thanks. Okay, I'll be. You guys can time me. I'm gonna run up and put the kettle down. Kettle down. Put the kettle on. Then I'll come running back. This is like my favorite game. To be like, how quickly can I do this? So I'm gonna go up, put the kettle on, I'm back. And then we're gonna go again. Should I do a timer? No, I think you guys can do the timer. Are you ready? I'm gonna leave the microphone on, so if I trip and fall and you guys hear swear words, it was Perry. Okay, ready? Set? Go! That was not quick at all. There was no water in the kettle. Anyways. As long as it's with oat milk. Oh, to be fair, I put no milk in it, so... Does that count? Is that not technically better? I like my coffee like my soul. Black and bitter. Anyways. I'll put trading features. I like anyway. With ideas on today's bias for UK Open. Apollo so far nothing, but let's see. If the peanut add a small spoonful of what? What is that? I don't even know what that is. Is it bad that I don't know what that is? What is ghee? What is ghee? Louis? It's bad that I don't know what that is. I feel like it's bad. Okay, well, we are basically an hour in. I think it is quickly time for fun fact of the day. Are you guys ready? It's time for fun fact of the day. By that time, the kettle should be done, and then I can quickly go and grab my coffee. But fun fact of the day. Are we ready? Let's go. So, fun fact of the day. Let's see. We have Mercury takes just 88 days, or about 3 Earth months, to complete one orbit around the sun. I feel like I knew that already, but I guess it's fun. Did you guys know it takes just 3 months on Earth for Mercury? Let's try that again. It takes 3 months on Earth for Mercury to make one rotation around the Earth. The sun, around the sun. Gosh, it's right in front of me, and wow. It's right in front of me and I'm still butchering it. But anyway, it's fun fact. Fun fact of the day. Anyways. Regional question. You are a full-time trader who cooks for you. What on earth makes you think I eat food? I'm kidding, I obviously have to eat food. I mean, to be fair, the other day I had like Fruit Loops for dinner. It was quite a decent dinner. Some people would be like, excuse me, what did you just say? Shoot. Trying to stop overthinking. There we go. You're not drinking instant coffee, are you? He is like butter, but healthy for you, brings out the flavor. Oh, you know, there was like a name for that. There was definitely a name for that in South Africa. There was a time where adding butter to coffee was a trend. I remember that was very much a thing. For the life of me, I do not know why. Okay, let's see. Yep, I like astrology, so I keep up with planet movement. That's interesting. You need coffee now. I know. Oh, wait, yes. Go for it, please, Hammer. Yeah, go for it, please. Hey, Jose, how you doing? My intro on Fair Value up. Yep. Let's see, I don't like this double over here. But it had 3 or more confluences and I'm trying to stop overthinking, so I took it. That's basically it. Let's see. Bulletproof coffee, there we go. That's in the middle, supposed to help with energy. But I don't know about that trend. Oh, to be fair, I didn't do that trend. To be fair. Okay, well that's not working out so far. Anyways, I didn't do that trend, to be fair. I use instant grounds. Sakosa, don't judge me. Someone said clock it. I have no idea. I also do not know what's happening. Yeah, let's see, Alex. Let's see. It's not quite rejecting as much as I wanted it to. Oh, shoot, look at where the stop loss is, right by there. Let's see, I like this dip here, which I did kind of reject off of. I wouldn't have voted for that, I got bamboozled. It's the only copy I have though, so help me out a little bit. It's the only copy I got. Right, like I said, if it's the only copy I got, isn't something better than nothing? Yep, first trade of the session. Better go for that coffee and sludge. I know. I'm considering if I should just go. What do you die? I'm sorry. Thanks, Hammer. I will be better. I don't know how to be better though. You're gonna... Oh. Nothing wrong with this, I don't understand. That's the trick. Yeah, is it gonna give me go-go energy? Is the go-go juice gonna make me go-go? If it's gonna make me go-go, then I'm happy. Mother Fluffer? Did you guys see that? What the heck? If TP hits, I'll buy you coffee for a month. Bet. Come on. Oh, those wicks don't look good. Louis, literally. Sure, part of me wants to go break even because the fact that it just double topped that is not great. Come on. I do not use trailing stop. Lance, it missed it by a freaking spread. I can't even say a tick because it's on it. It missed it by a spread. I cannot believe that happened. Come on. Yep. Bounce up, bounce up, bounce up. Oh, no, man. You want to see it jump a little bit above that. Come on. I know break even's not ideal, but these two wicks there were just... If it had broken the wick properly, different story. Oh, let's see, Hammer. Alex, rude. I feel like coffee there is a whole lot more expensive than coffee in South Africa. Just saying. Do you know how expensive coffee is in South Africa? Thank you. Yeah, so the double top was what made me kind of go, uh-oh. But let's see. Well, Rashawn, yes and no. This looks like it's about to hit break even, where it could maybe take me out for some commissions. But then just call it. It's about to take me out anyways. There is CPI, so anything can happen. I like that. That's fair. What is cheap in South Africa? Well, Explorer, I feel like if you're not from South Africa, everything feels cheap. If you're not from South Africa, I cannot believe that missed me by a spread. That should have... Cool. Okay, well, break even. Because a double top, that's fine. Break even. I see why you call Inky a diva. Yep. Louis, it's going back up. Please no. Please no. If this actually goes back up. Capital preserved for next trade. I guess it's a no loss. If this goes to TP, can we acknowledge that clearly there is a broker somewhere watching the stream that is like, this will be funny. This will be so funny. Let's just do this and then go. Where is my coffee? Watch it hit TP. This is coffee for a month. Guys. Okay, I see we're stuck in range now. These massive wicks are not ideal, but the fact that it's creating higher lows... Guys, I went up by 40 cents. Green! Heck yeah, let's do this! Oh, I am broke. I knew it. Oh wait, my coffee. I'm gonna get my coffee so that I can come back and, you know, some people say if you add salt to coffee, it's good. Maybe my tears will make the coffee a little bit salty and then just bring out the flavor. I'll be right back. I'll keep the microphone on so you guys can hear the chaos. Damn, okay, this is, that is some heavy resistance going on in that level right there. Wow. Okay, I feel better for going break even now. If it had just gone straight to TP, you best believe tears would have been shed. Salt on coffee. Without thinking much, sell a huge quantity. What? It'll make double bottom. Sell it. Can I make a suggestion if you go for it, Blade? See, anyone who wants to make suggestions, that's how you go about doing it. You ask politely, and I am so up for suggestions. Why do you think I got the volume profile? I've started to use it a little bit more to get a better idea, you know. Guess here were some rejections. Yeah. Guess with regards to TP, it wasn't the best. Back up there. Oh, it's stuck in this range. Cool. Nah, I'm not in a trade. I got a break even. No, to be fair, I got 40 cents. When I need to update my balance, people. We're balling now. We're balling. Boom. Oh, good grief. You know it's been a bad losing streak when 40 cents makes you happy. Anyways. Why don't you use VWAP? I do use VWAP. Right there. You mother bluffer. Okay, there it would have taken. My grandpa, the market maker, said he'll not give you more than 40 cents. That's rude. I wanted to do a poll about your mother. Say why not do a Discord back listening session for people. That's actually not a bad idea, Blade. Lol, it's going for the— Don't lol about it, that's mean. but it is. It feels unnecessarily rude right now. I am convinced there's a broker somewhere that's watching this going, let's make this interesting. One time I lost 2 accounts in one night. I literally cried a bit. I meant not sobbing, but there was a tear or two. What happened, Louis? How did you lose 2 accounts in one night? That's rough. How's the volume profile used in trading? So I'm also still pretty new-ish with it, but theoretically shouldn't be... It wants to go... Correct me if I'm wrong here, people. It wants to go to the lower volume node. So here where there's a dip, there's a bit of a lower volume node. So does it not want to go down to those lower volume nodes, and then it should theoretically reject nicely off of those nodes. Again, please correct me if I have understood that terribly. Trading will be much more fun after 2029. What's happening after 2029? Mr. Maxim, what's up? I made 4-2 on a long paper trade. Tried and tested paper trade. Whoop whoop, Mike. So why are you only paper trading, by the way? Is it coffee with sugar? Yes, there is at least some sugar in it this time. I felt like that when I was blowing accounts up, yeah. And it takes me 2 days to get over the fear after a red day. Oh no. Wait, Louis, how bad was your losing streak? Was it as bad as my losing streak is currently? I do not use EMA. It wants to go to the point of control. Okay. And the point of control is where there's less volume? More volume. But I was having this debate with someone yesterday. Oh, got it. That's pretty correct. Those strong reaction areas, basically volume-based support and resistance. There we go. It can get slippery though when credit card is saved. Yeah, okay, Lars, that makes sense. Today's gambling day in Apex with CPI. All in for $26. No. Oh. My glasses nearly fell off. Can I help you, sir? What's up? Is there really any skill to trading, or is it luck because not everyone can make money? No? There's definitely skill. Definitely skill. Let me trade. Like 20 losing trade and like 4 wins. Damn, Louis, that's rough. 4 minutes into the 15 and no rush upwards, we tank now. Okay, Paula, let's see. I think you need a break, like a long holiday somewhere in Thailand or Bali. I cannot express this enough. Do you know how expensive just going on holidays are? Like, yeah. Hey, Ben, what's up? Am I profitable? No, Mike, no. I'm not profitable. Okay, wait. Mike, what do you consider profitable? Let's maybe ask that question. Everyone has quite different opinions when it comes to profitable. Buttercup Jacob? You took a similar trade. Did you get taken out? Was it good? Was it bad? What happened? we go. Ba, 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 ba. Oh no, I did things. I did bad things. Okay, I'm back. Told Jay about 3 Nova candles. Okay. Be working on it now with his phone. He controls his PC from his phone. Interesting. What did he say about it, Debbie? Geordie! Data subscriber here. Good luck with your trade today. Thanks, Geordie. You're so sweet. Welcome. Sorry. Your name's so nice you had to say it twice. That was very lame. I will apologize for that one. Proper sized coffee cup. It is the only way to do it. It's like the size of my head, but it is the only way to do it. How long does it take you to learn enough to have a livable wage? Paul, everyone is different, eh? Yeah. Everyone is different. Did I just lose some data? No, what? What happened here? What just happened? Is TradingView wigging out or did something actually happen here? Oh, sorry, I was answering with regards to how long does it take. Everyone is different. I know some people that only became profitable after 4 years. I know some people that became profitable, well, I guess you could say profitable after 6 months, right? Yeah, I kind of tapped into that note and rejected off of it. Could have re-entered that trade. It's fine. It's in chop now, so it would have been way too, yeah. Am I in the green for the month? Hell no. 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 Oh, good grief. Sure, oh, thank you. Nice, we get the MP open today. Maya, what happened? I was in call. Did it hit your TP? No, Alex, it did not. Took me out of break even. Now it hit my TP. Mother bluffer. Okay. Let me send this. Sorry, I'm journaling quickly. Just popped it on Discord. So I do every single trade that I take gets put on Discord. The volume profile is just a fixed range volume profile. That's the one I use. If you're in the red all the time, I would consider paper trading for a while. Mike, is that what happened with you? Hello, Chop City with 15 minutes in and we haven't gotten anywhere. Oh, interesting. Okay. I figured London would consolidate because of news later. I mean, true. To be fair, so did I. So it's not really a surprise. It did go beautifully bob to bob level though. Oh, I need to show you guys something, but I haven't saved it. I wonder if I look it up, if it's there. Let's see if it's there on gold. Now it's just kind of Chop City. Let's see if it is. Let's see what it's called for gold in particular. And let me show you these damn levels, because these levels are insane. Bob's Gold Rush levels. Okay. This right here on gold is low-key insanity. It missed there. But I just don't like... No, need the boxes, not the lines. Why can't I? No, make it. There we go. Okay, that's fine. Okay. For people that trade gold, then Bob levels. Look at how it taps into them. So here it broke a little bit above, struggled to break above, but here it just blew through 2 levels. But do you see how it tends to go perfectly into these jam levels? They just struggled, but with anything, it's never 100% accurate, right? So it's only done a few levels here just so that it doesn't freak out, but it moves with. There's 3 levels below current price and 3 levels above current price. How interesting. I mean, look at this. Up, up. Guess you could have maybe wanted to see a little bit more of a rejection, but with VWAP there, it kind of makes sense. It kind of got stuck on VWAP on gold. Want to see how this works. Have to be consistent and emotionless. But doesn't paper trading... Why gold is a bad word in your chat? It's not. I just, yeah, me. What time is it in South Africa? It is 10:27 in the morning. Respect the process, protect. Oh wait, Mike, sorry. I was in the middle of asking you with regards to paper trading. How does that teach you to be emotionless though? Because there's no emotions when it comes to... Yeah. Sorry, I'm asking like a genuine question. Truland, gamblers gambling. We don't use that word here. As soon as TP hits, I'm gone. Newsday is not the one. Probably return for Asia session, but US to its things after. Wait, yeah, valid. Hey Dalla, how you doing? But gold here, like I said, I just always find it interesting to see how it reacts off of these levels. It is insanity. Obviously it didn't make levels below there. Level. Next level would be down here. Like I said, sorry, I find it very interesting. Anyways, back to MNQ. No, you... Okay, wallet. Curious about this thing now. Shoot. Okay, it's hurting my eyeballs. This feels like a cheat code. Not like a great cheat code, like, but it's interesting. It's just, yeah, it's super interesting. Hilarious. I got into a long where he got out of the long, or they got out of the long. I don't know who this is, but anyways. Anywho, let's do this. So it would have been a winner. Oh well. No, actually, this still would have been a partial win break even if I didn't move the break even there, so it's fine. Chip, chop, city, Augustine, what's up? How's Madagascar treating you? And Picasso. Picasso, I like. Oh, love. Makes me think of that meme. I think it's a meme. Hey Samuel, how you doing? Good for compliments, yeah? If I practice basic theory and don't voyage off, then it becomes... Okay, no, that's valid, Mike. So did you decide to do it after a bit of a learning streak? Is that why you decided to do some paper trades? We winning? L76, we are up 40 cents. Boom, I know. Millionaire in the making right here. Up 40 cents, ready to take on the world. Let's do this. Watch out for VWAP above. Bear flag into VWAP lately has been very strong. Diogo, I found a friend in your Discord. Really? Who? That is amazing. What indicator was that? Buy on all signals. Gus? What's it called? It's not called X66. Louis, what's this one called again? Yeah, very interesting. Like I said, it feels a little lazy, but I guess, you know, each to their own. Thank you, Louis. Look at you using indicators. Science look messy like my chart is bad. $50 and a dream. Gosh. Oh my gosh, that. I won't say what it's called, it's just the lucky charm. I'm sorry, Mike, did you say you have 90 plus indicators? 90 plus indicator, 90 plus indicator. Okie dokie, that sounds insane, but that's okay. Damn. Who is winning 40 cents? Leave something for us. That would be me, Diogo. Okay? Just. Just. Ah. That was terrible. What's my favorite drink? You have to be a little bit more specific. Like energy, hot, adult beverage. Like it's got the spice added to it, you know. Oh, you up just from yesterday? What? No, Mikawave, that late night move was solid. That was impressive. Well done. Seriously, well done. Oh, thanks, Debbie. Damn, you're on a mission. I love it. I'm just sitting on a rock, taking small on a rock. Are you on like a Mike the goat? I have questions. Is it because you're a goat that you're chilling on a rock? Anyways. Oh, look at this. Ah! Hip lab trading, heck yeah! Welcome. What part of SA are you from? Welcome to the absolute shenanigans that happen here. I feel like there's no other better way of explaining it. There's a lot of shenanigans. I would say no tears being spread yet. I've nearly died accidentally. I choked on my coffee. Have I cried? I don't think I've cried on live. Not properly, though. I've not properly cried. I've been super grumpy before. I've been sassy. I've been overly happy. Point is, there's always some weird and wonderful stuff happening. So, welcome. Welcome was actually the point of that. I just went a very long, weird direction to get there. But moving on, back to them charts. It's a point where I don't feel like I need them all. Well, I mean, Mike, do they help you? Imagine your first. You heard what he said today. Yeah. Am I into green? No, not really. True. New day has come. TP hit. I set it at VWAP. Nice, Louis. Whoop whoop. That is awesome. There's 3. Fit nothing more on my screens. Do I have a daily max loss or win, and if so, how much? So for me, it's 3 losses a day. Call it. Yeah. We can only hope for another. Oh!
Emotional damage.
What the actual heck, man? Rude? Rude. Probably cry inside. Oh, Yago, I'm always doing that. What do you mean? Kidding, that sounds very sad. Anyways, we cry on the inside like winners, okay? Or like losers, I don't know, when it comes to the charts. Do I sell any trading courses? No. If you were to start trading today, what would you do differently? Like, start from the beginning? Promise? Aw, thanks, Samuel. Yeah, what do you think, Louis? I'm curious to see, yeah. Oh, sorry, Explorer, I got you. I gotcha. I gotcha. Well, it's in chippy chop, cheap, 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 chop, 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 chop. Chop, chop, chop. Chop, chop. I'm sane, I promise. We're okay here. We're all okay. What? She was too pretty. What do you mean she was too pretty to be around? What? I have so many questions. Will you say something trading related? All these shenanigans is what we'll discuss. We always talk about trading things. What do you mean? Thank you for trading. Well, I try to sleep. I got you. I got you. It's what I'm here for. Also, who are you at? You are verified. Who are you? Dun dun dun. Are you saying my voice is ASMR or just... Because I get it. Oh shoot. I'll be doing that. Are you a singer? I'm assuming you're a singer. Interesting. Cool. That's nice. Oh, you're a DJ, not a singer. Sorry, that is awesome. Where are you from? Sorry, I got like all curious. I'm sorry, I'm a little bit like snoop. I'm gonna snoop around and see. To be fair, so the person asking about trading related things, right now, this is chip chop. Oh wait, I lied. We have movement. Let's see, what did this bounce off of? There was a low volume node there, wasn't there? I think there was. I expected it to go a little bit higher, actually. I expected it to go into this low volume node at 039. Interesting. Let's see, this volume node did not reject off of that. Popped into there. Okay, let's wait for confirmation that this is going to continue back down. If it is, awesome source. Is this freaking going bob to bob again? This cannot be going bob to bob again. If this is going bob to bob again, that is insane. for VWAP Bob to Bob? No ways. No ways. Hope this 1 hour closes. Sam, I missed that. No, I didn't. There's no entry for me with my trading strategy. But unfortunately, I'm trying to learn about day trading actually, so I'll subscribe. Interesting! That is so cool! Also, why unfortunately LA? Isn't LA cool? Okay, I can donate 0. Hello. Oh, really? Why? I've never been, so that's why I guess I'm just curious. Never know how people draw that volume thing. I mean, I think the problem is you can do it a plethora of ways. Yes, I said plethora. We're going with plethora. Okay. Basically tapped into the middle. Mikuwave, are you still there? You're in the way. Do you know what it sounds like now and then in my headphone? This sounds like how do I put this? You know, like some people do that trick where they pop. I can't do it, obviously. Nope. See, it's better. Didn't make a noise at all. It kind of sounds like that. America's third book wrapped up in a bow. Fun to visit, not great to live in. Okay, I guess that makes sense. It's like you go there for a party. You don't go there to live your life. Does that make sense? Or am I being a little bit cynical? I tend to do that as well, so I'm still keen on it coming back down to take out this 940 zone. Let's see if it does though. I mean, it just went straight back up into zone. Kind of has this here. Was this a fake out? So much going on up here. It's me, I'm training you. It's my message chain. Oh! That makes so much sense. Thanks, Hammer. That was absolutely confusing my brain cell to no end. I was just like, what? That is so funny. Thank you. I've not understood what that noise is for so long. Okay, now it makes sense. Would you rather fight a horse-sized chicken or 50 chicken-sized horses? Oh, 100% 50 chicken-sized horses. Because I can deal with horses. I am terrified of chickens, so a chicken the size of a horse, I might just fall over dead just there before anything else happens. That would be it. When is my birthday? 2nd of December. We're still bearish. Just go and read the book. A lot of fighting before it shoots down, but soon. Interesting. His resistance at 5195. Wait, what? You mean up higher this way? I'm assuming that's what you mean? December baby, standing back and standing by. Retest at 076. Big away. It's your birthday like that, black magic heading your way. Listen, at this point, it could only help At this point, it could only help. Sorry, that was freaking hilarious. I think
Emotional damage.
that was awesome. Are you familiar with loading up your own indicator on TradingView? I'm running through your indicator. I am not. I know. Obviously, Bob did it, but I have no clue how to do it. Oh, Diogo, you just finished your indicator. What's your indicator? See, so what I'm curious about. So we got this one up and running. Remember I said fixation? That's what I do. Okay, so if we zoom in. We want to spike above. Zoom 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 boom 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 boom. Oh, it's these two. If you don't know where that zoom 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 thing comes from, I'm gonna judge you. Who would you trust more, a thief or a con artist? They're not basically same. Yeah, of course you can, Diogo. Go for it. Demonte, just go all in already. Demonte, I don't know why you're sighing. I'm up 40 cents today. Winning. I mean, you said thief. I kind of want to say same. The chat be delayed by how much? If it's a little bit, it's fine. I know it is a little bit delayed. Looks like it wants to go to that lower level. It kind of does. Ah, pity. I'm watching it on ES. Okay. SMT created. Let's see how it reacts here. Full port, it's a 50-50 chance. Snake bitten chart. What does that mean? What's a snake bitten chart? I have so many questions. What does that mean? Problem is it didn't come up high enough. Would have liked to have seen it come back up here. Oh well, whoa. Sorry, oh, I've been so quiet. Apologies. Risking her life every time she takes a sip of that coffee. Yeah, honestly. It's dying a slow death, what? Louis, it's from Pitch Perfect. Have you not watched Pitch Perfect? If you've not watched Pitch Perfect, I'm kind of sad. Pitch Perfect was like the thing for everyone to... Looks like I gotta wait now. I wanted 1 hour to close bearish, but it's expanded too much. Interesting, Blade. Okay. Thanks, Diogo. I will. I can do the cup scene. I cannot. I sing that in karaoke, but I cannot do the cup scene. I'm kind of forward testing with the volume profile on the 1 minute. I know there's not enough information with 1 minute ranges. I am aware of that. I'm just curious. Oh, I don't like the main actress of Pitch Perfect movie. I can't watch those movies at all. Really? Why don't you like her? Turgon, what's up? How you doing? Oh, I see we just running away. Going bye-bye. Freaking Bob to Bob, man! This is actually going Bob to Bob. Bob, Bob, Bob. Kidoki. Thanks, Diogo. I'll go check it out now. Yeah, on CFDs, my entries are. Aw, thanks, Blade. That's good though. Right? Stops you doing weird and wonderful things. Things and I'm malfunctioning. Sometimes I do think maybe I am AI, and that's why I have malfunctions like I do. Lots of profitable here. Wow, that's nice. Anyways, Turtle on Ice, hi, what's up? I have no idea. It's a mental problem I have. To be fair, there's some series like that where I can't stand the main actor or actress, and I'm just like, well, looks like I can't watch this anymore because they frustrate me too much. Oh, I'm judging. Oh, I'm judging. Oh, I'm judging. How have you never watched it? Anyone want to test my indicator? I need feedback. Louis, not gonna lie, I thought you were setting up a dad joke. Post pay value at SMC sessions, EMA cross. Yeah, Diogo, I'll have to add it later. To be fair, I need to delete some of these things. Anyways. Okay, that was quick. I thought I'd have to delete more things, but it makes me happy now that there's not so many. About half year on short, let's go. I have the same problem. I just feel the act is not real enough, and then I can't believe the story. Yeah. So for me it was, oh, shoot, what's Blacklist? Yeah. The female actress on that one. Oh, she drove me crazy. So yeah. In that dip. Below that pivot. Interesting. Like I said, I wanted to see how it reacts to what and where and how. Yep. Yep. Oh my goodness, sorry. Hiccups are kicking in. To be fair, must this one also be extended, right? Probably. There we go. I still like the 940 area for it to be headed towards and potentially either reject off of or get continuation down. Let's see. Whee! Do you think we can change the background of this? Aha! Nope, that's not what I wanted. No. Oh goodness, okay, I'll have to sort these out later. I just don't want this green background. Get rid of it. Oh well. It's fine. I'll fix it later. It's the only thing bugging me. I don't want the damn green background, but it's fine. Oh, didn't want to. Oh no, the hiccups are fine. I normally have like one hiccup, then I'm done. Hiccups are hilarious. That's good. Well, you have some sick horror costumes. I'm kind of curious now. Look at ES, it's going lower. ES is dropping down. Let's see here. Like I said, I want to see how it reacts off of this level. So there, didn't come retest. Still hasn't retested. This has been my main. Been watching it. Oh, nice hammer. 1-7 hit. Oh, Apollo whoop whoop. That is amazing. So I'm gonna right click on it, but I did. Yeah, that's mostly just for price. I need it to be specifically these. No. No. This is where you would get it. Oh well. Hey, oh my gosh! Check how it reacted to that point. Okay, sorry. I get excited when I start to understand things, and I go, eee! Okay, this could now be a new point to be looking out for. That was awesome. How cool was that? Sorry, I'm getting excited about it, but it's okay. $251.50. I mean, that is a massive engulfing candle right there. Whoa. A solid rejection off of that. Literally, there was that 940 area. Pinned into it, back up. What's this? The 2500. That's 2500 area, guys. Is insane. 025. Oh, back into bob level. Okay. Let's now see. Point of interest. Double wicks. Don't move like that. Ah, nice blade. Box. Hey, pretty and green. I mean, we're kind of low-key stuck in a range. If we're being honest, it hasn't really moved out of bob level. Well, yeah, it's kind of just blink, 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 blink. So we are kind of ranging, but I guess we're moving in the range for now. Oh, I forgot to mark out the 4 AM. Where's 4 AM? Okay. It is what it is. Move on. The blue. Oh no, this is VWAP. Sorry, that's VWAP. Well done, Chris. I have to change my alarm now that everything's moved an hour up. Back in short after the stop hunt. Hey, German stock, how you doing? You're welcome. I have to wait. Not my setup, not A+ yet. Based on your checklist, up close trust till NFP passes. Aw, nice. Good morning, Rif. Yeah, what's up? No, that's not it. Rifat, how you doing? Did not tell me about your favorite series. This will tell me more about your humor. Okay. I guess I'm Sorry. Got distracted by this. Would have expected maybe a bit more of a rejection off of there. Favorite. So I'm actually currently watching New Girl. New Girl is so funny. I think it's probably going to be one of my favorites. So New Girl, Friends, I really like Friends. Chandler is definitely my favorite. Brooklyn Nine-Nine. Yeah, I guess I kind of want to say like the classics, right? I guess the classics are good. Isn't Lost Man just learning? I'm out. Oh, good. Cheers, Bella. That just happened in the opposite direction during last session during the reversal. Yeah. New Girl tracks. Oh, great show. I've seen every episode 4 or 5 times. New Girl and the 9-9. Yep. What about Joey from Friends? Joey from Friends is like, he's adorable. It's someone that you just want to protect. You know, when you just want to be like, oh, sweetie pie, you know, he's adorable. But Chandler's hands down my favorite. I was so upset when Matthew died. Yeah. What a freaking fake out, right, Cam Bam? Friends Chandler was my first guess. Really? That is amazing. I asked because you nailed the bias yesterday. Ah, I think it's pretty in green. Well, right now it's kind of going sideways, which is also kind of expected because CPI is later. I nearly said NFP and I was like, that's not right. CPI is later. I use simple sessions on trading. It basically highlights all the sessions in color. Apollo, isn't it similar to this? Sorry, I do have this. Oh, okay, wait, let me turn this off so that you can see. Ah! Shoot, I can't. I just want to mute. I don't know if you can see there. It does color in the sessions. Like there's Asia session. And here's New York session. So is it similar to that? And back down to that point of interest. Let's get back into there, but rejected off of this low volume node. Yeah, okay. Rejected off of that low volume node that was at this 50%. Interesting. Oh dear. New fixations. Let's do this. Wealth Quotes, what's up? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. How's it going? I haven't watched Friends since he died. It's also my favorite show. Right? Oh, okay. The Office is good. Hammer, The Office is good. Parks and Recreation? Not as much. Looks like it wants to break down. Louis. No, that's okay, Paul. Don't worry. I find simple sessions work really well. 896 first. My indicator was... Ayo, Jordy, what's up? Where's the VP anchor to time? The current one. Oh, this one is on a range. This one was from the tippy top of this range down, and now it's kind of been following. Sorry, I know it's a little bit chaotic. And then this one is day. Yeah. Well, I guess previous day, technically. Well, previous New York day. Should I be doing the full day? Because then it should go all the way down here. Shoot, maybe I should have actually done it from here. Let's maybe do that. There we go. That low volume node is not as juicy now. But it's okay. There's that. Why does this look now weird? Did I mess it up? Because I messed with things. I probably did. Here's another low volume node. Oh, right by these sessions. That makes sense. Okay, so maybe we can start to see a real proper bounce off there. Sorry, I'm getting like hyper fixated on this now, Jordy. Just saying. 9:30. Don't extend right. Oh, okay. So it's yesterday's 9:30 to 3:59. Why 3:50? You mean closing from New York open to New York close? Is that what you're saying? Do I like Jello? I do like Jello. Okay, wait. Correct if wrong. (3:50 p.m.) Why 3:59? Jordy? Why 3:59? Curious about that. Okay, so you're saying from 9:30? Guess it was pretty on point there. And then extend that right so it develops. Robocop, I just joined and saw volume profile, isn't that? That's me for ICT traders. Robocop, I'm not an exclusive ICT trader. Hey Chuck, what's up? How you doing? Scale on a short. Sorry, like I said, I'm increasing. Why does it look so weird? Did I mess with it? I feel like I did properly mess with it earlier. I'm gonna start messing with it more if I do weird things. Leave it alone. Okay, there's that range. It did kind of reject off of that level. Down. Okay, let's see a new potential point of interest. Okay, not much after there. Can I just say this is just going bob to bob to bob? Check, that's good. Charts need to fill a huge fair value gap below. Franklin, do I am here all the time. Both London and New York session. I am here every day except obviously Saturday and Sunday. I do sometimes need a little bit of a break. Sometimes. Someone was like, you need to go on a holiday. I'm like, that's funny. Can I just say Jordy? Jordy, are you still there? So if you extend the profile over too many candles, you wipe important level. I cut it into sections as per screenshot. Thank you. Yeah, I'll have a look now. This call grinding for the 15k and for. Thanks, Alex. You funny. I'll take it. See, it hit some major levels now. Is it going to retrace further back up? Let's see. Dude, what's so funny? Where are you? There we go. There you are. I was gonna say that out loud. Anyway. My original reward was 113, but if the country agree 17 is more than enough. Stop! Yes, you are correct. And oh, cheers, Samuel. Back testing the gold rush thing. It's pretty solid. Interesting, Louis. Okay, so what do you... The question is you have to know when and how to execute it, right? So that's what I've been trying to see with the bob levels because... Okay, let me just quickly hide this. But okay, everyone... Prepare yourselves, please. Okay, I didn't do it, thank heavens. Sometimes it zooms out for some reason, so... You check out that bob level and combine nicely. I saw it especially on this level here, if I'm not mistaken, with the value. No. Was it? It was. This one here has a solid level, if I'm not mistaken. I'll put it back up now. I just wanted to show... I need to still figure out what are the, like... That's the one, that's how you get into it with regards to the bob levels. Because if you have a look here, I mean, this went bob level to bob level, and then bob level to bob level. So here, I guess we had 2 solid wicks, and then an engulfing. So that engulfing could have been that indication that, okay, here we go, there's that confirmation, bob to bob. Okay. This one, I don't know. It didn't quite wick off of it, but there was this engulfing. Maybe that could have been the indication that it's a good to go. But it was also stuck in a range. I'm still trying to get better at being like, aha, that's it, saying that bob to bob is good to go. There's that confirmation that we can go for it. I'm normally pretty good at telling with the wicks, though I'm not so good with the engulfing, because sometimes I think, there's the engulfing, and it just doesn't work. Like here, these wicks that are struggling to break below, I would say, aha, here we go. Up, bob to bob. Not much of a confirmation here. It went oh so slowly, but it went bob to bob. It's actually insane. It drives me crazy at how well it can work. Listen, like everything in trading, it's not always, that's what I didn't want it to do. Like everything in trading, it's not always 100%. Okay. Back. The solution, we'll discuss it quickly when it's brief. I'll be late or something. Just let me know. Okay, be right back. I had to go find my dog. I don't know where he went, but anyways, he's outside chilling. Ah! You're on the right path. 20 confirmations needed. I was there a few months ago. Okay, we can have to read those levels. Interesting. The chance involved like a double helix. My life will change. Little nuggets for everyone. Hello, you're back. The engulfing is stronger after liquidity speed. That spike came back to the volume cluster. Buy signal 5-minute engulfing works better. That is true, actually. That is a valid point. Wait, what I wanted to say was... Oh, with regards to the bob to bob. This one here. Check out this low volume node. Right at this bob level above. Literally right here. Let me draw this outside. I'm curious to see if it wants to head back into there or not. Let's see. Okay, it just took out this main, well, my main point of interest over there. Let's see what it does next. key levels high. The midpoint lines are where I was taking the trades. I'd say potential retracement at 24900. Hey Debbie. Thanks Debbie, you're amazing. I'll check it out now. Well, now. Okay, guys, I think maybe I need to elaborate because I realize that some people do not understand what's South Africa. When we say now, it means later, and when we say now, it can be within the month. Yeah, now and now means different things. See how previous day and developing value low is overlapping on the top level. Yeah. Could be signs of reversal. I gotta work for me, I don't wanna. Well, no. Engulfing bullish now? Let's see, Riffa. Yep. We're now on latest inventions. No, they weren't, but we say like now, and so if a South African says, I'll do it now, it doesn't mean we're doing it like right now. It means, we'll do it later. Diago waiting game, 100%. The previous day ones, you don't extend. I didn't. Oh, I did originally. I didn't now. So this is not the previous day, this is London. This is the previous day, it's not extended. The weekly. Shoot, I didn't extend the weekly either. Where is the weekly? Come back. I swear I drew it. Where is it? There it is. It's just so far back. Oh my gosh, look at all this. Did I draw this wrong? I feel like I completely butchered this. Shoot, maybe I did. Anyways. I'll figure that one out later. I need a dog cam. I know, just fair value up and then back down. I'm on a long since I said it was long. Interesting. So you just believe this is going to go and fill the fair value gap and then continue back down. I mean, this has fair value gap 2. This only has 2 complemences. Woo! That would have missed TP. That would have... Well, at least I would have gotten a little bit there, but still. Chinese American timing soon means 4th quarter next year. Oh gosh. We just need to know if market wants to fill top fair value gaps or... lines are moved, so we can just add lines on top of those and hide the BP. Just neater. True, okay. Diogo, you need to know what? What do you have to... Where? Louis, I think that's a glitch. I don't think they're meant to be flashing, to be fair. Those bands just stay. Whatever. I don't think they're meant to flash. Seriously, I don't think they're meant to flash. How's it looking actually on gold now that this is so slow? To make a double bottom. Not quite. Didn't quite take out the liquidity. No, it did. It made solid equal lows there. Let's see how it reacts at this level. Yeah, there was a rejection. Interesting. Interesting. Geordie, are you trading gold, by the way? I'm assuming not. Are you? No. Geordie, you don't trade gold, do you? Well, I trade the Nasdaq futures, the micros to be exact. The rejection off of there. Low-key forward testing. That's not what I meant to do. Oh, for crying out loud, I keep doing stupid things. Oh my word. I keep pressing wrong buttons. Hey, you see me now? What's up? How you doing? Good. It up. We're gonna sweep liquidity and then go back down. W trades today. Nice, Andrew. That is awesome. Whoop whoop. Whoop whoop for anyone that is. Ooh, there we go. Whoop whoop for anyone that's whoop whooping today. I don't quite know how I feel about being called girly, but we're gonna go with it. It's okay. What's up? I know it was a break even, but I'm low-key proud of myself for taking that trade. Just because I saw it, I took it, I didn't overthink it. And that's all I need to freaking work on right now. Is order flow easy to use and understand? What? I don't really use it myself, so you're gonna have to ask people who use it a little bit more. Okay, so let's see here. I'm really trying to see if I can get solid confirmations on these bob levels, because if I can, like, those could be easy, just one micro, just when I see them, just to hold a little trade here and there, just to get some extras in. I mean, why not, right? So Bob mentioned something about a wick, and then this isn't really engulfing, but a solid candle closing on the body. Let's check the 5 minute. Maybe the 5 minute will be better. You know what I have to do. You know what I have to do. You know what I have to do. Ready? Okay, let's do this. I feel like that's how we're gonna start this stream from now on. My glass is gonna be up here, and I'm gonna... Let's do this thing. You tell I'm pretending to be cool. We all know I'm not cool, but it is the thought that counts. Solid engulfing. 40 seconds to go. $30 seconds to go. How's this look on the 1 minute? I'm specifically looking at the bob levels now. Didn't tap in. Okay. 5 minute had the bullish engulfing. Yep. Nems, what's up? How you doing? Target reach, now the liquidity sweep. Interesting, okay. Explorer is a bouncing back. That's what we are waiting. COD mobile looks like he nailed it. Okay, so filled the fair value gap and now just... You think it's gonna go sweep liquidity? I set my gaps between zones at 35 and looks way better for entries. So... Is it Ronicus? Or is it just Ronnie? Ronnie. See how it reacts. Yup. Damn, okay then. Sorry, I'm a little bit fixated today already. Nice. da 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 da. I mean, yeah, these two lined up really nicely, so let's see how it reacts off of it. Struggling, but not quite bouncing as much as I wanted to see. More? Or does it add some more? What's up? What about 49k? $0.99. No, that is that a song? I feel like that's a song. Why is that song kind of stuck in my head? That's okay. I'm sure that's normal. Why is London low-key boring today? Well, there's still New York. We still have time. There's still 30 minutes. Let's wait for confirmations. I was looking at this, but me. See how this would have worked? No. I did fill that fair value gap, but apart from that, yeah. Why is it still the same balance? It's not moving. Yeah, might have an indicator that auto plots volume S&D trend, catch on momentum, and still signal. Once you know how it works, you can turn signals off. Interesting. Okay. Is it the one you sent me, Debbie? Yeah, sure. I am curious. At this point, anything to improve can help. If I overcomplicate it, it is me. It is possible, but still. Damn. All right then. Nothing of major interest going on around here, except for further down. Probably wants to go and grab those. Just broke below there. That was a solid candle. Ooh, no wick. Let's see what it does here. Sorry, I'm now I'm hyper fixated on two things today. I guess it's not a bad thing. Be focused on two things per day and learn what you can from it. The first one is the candles with no wicks. Does the market always want to come back and correct that? The second thing is the volume profiles. Trying to see if I can get better at reading them. Only problem is this above. This might be a decent rejection, but that don't help what I have there, and it's just taken out this liquidity that it's created. A bit of entries, interesting. Going down to 4884. Yeah, to that London low, New York. Gonna sweep that liquidity. Whatever you end up doing, make sure you live test it for a good sample size. Blade, yep. Andrew locked in, yeah. Did I take that short? I did not. Which short? This one here? I did not. This is low-key starting to look better, but this could also be the reversal point now that it's taken out a bunch of liquidity. Still seems heavy, yeah. Skills depth. Can I smile? Moving on. I'm so sorry. I'm so weird. I apologize. Okay. Onwards and upwards. To being oh so weird. Pretty solid here. Huh. So gonna reject as much as I want to see it reject off of that level though. Let's see. What's still that level? It's still further down there. This is me. Don't love it on the whoopsies, what did I press? Press something with my button. Push the button in the beep beep beep. Can you even take a couple of days off? Yeah, I think it depends on the prop firm, but I think as long as you place like one trade a week, again, prop firm dependent, then you're good. It doesn't even have to be like an amazing trade, just one trade so that you're still active. Stop loss. Even now, I think we swing low. Never mind. What up? Am I a YouTube or is it my YouTube? In which case, questions. Skills dev. Where am I from? I am from a little place called South Africa. How's everyone doing? 3. Let's break a low. Oh, thanks, Vincent. I appreciate that. See, now do we wait for some more confirmation or not? Jacob Snake Up. Who are you? I see you verified. Sorry, I get very like, who this? Jujua? Do. Sorry. Friend is friend until it's not, right? To just take out those levels, did take out that. Tapped into this lower volume node. Lower volume node being created here, but we still need to come and take out these ones at the bottom. My eyes for the win dance party this morning. Ooh, yeah. Boom chicka boom chicka boom chicka. Promise I'm normal. That's a lie. Oh my gosh, I just lied to you guys. I'm so sorry. Bad to lie. This. Man, on the 5-minute, we got this pretty solid order block. Nobody, just like that reaction. Oh, nice. It is literally there's an angry girl song. Oh, that's rough. I'll call it an angry girl song because it is kind of an angry girl song. About being told to smile. So that's not my reaction if people tell me to smile. I do. I smile just in the most creepy possible way. What's down? You are OTT, you are seeing volume profile. I'm trying to figure it out a little bit. Aw, chills. I did not. Sorry, guys. I have not been on Discord since I started streaming. All of these levels are pretty solid. Sugar honey iced tea. Maybe I'm too late. Did go in full... the gap. This volume imbalance. Interesting. Yeah, I'm using volume profile to see if I can get better. I mean, check out how it rejected. Had a bit of a rejection off of there, rejected solidly off of these as well. Huh. Cool. Maybe I should have taken it, but it's fine. Like I said, I'm kind of forward testing it, so I don't just want to rush into taking trades. Naturally, it would have worked out, but it's okay. Oh, Louis, that is awesome. Hey, Steels, what's up? 8.89%, that's impressive. Yeah. But now coming back up. If a higher low is created, that's going to be interesting. Yeah, sorry, so I have like 3. There we go. So yeah, start of session. Oh, shoot, man, look at this one. Ah, damn it. That's actually really nice. Yeah, this one's at start of London. This one was the start of this range, actually. Should actually probably focus more on this one. Start of London. This one's not as important. Just kind of gives you a bit more information. Vincent, I'm from South Africa. What's up? Not really. It's kind of like institutional levels. Pull the lever, crunk. It's kind of based off of institutional levels. That's the best way to describe it. But I mean, it's also what I have here. These are kind of like the institutional levels on MNQ. Actually, it's not that bad. Definitely need some tweaks, but something here, Maya, with your indicator. Thanks, Debbie. Well, let's see. Like I said, I'm low-key forward testing this today. I didn't expect magic to happen today, especially with No. CPI. Yep. CPI happening today. Yes. Brain cells, brain. Yep, let's do this. Let's see. Coming soon at 2:30 p.m. Start of rejection. Yeah, you want to see it start dropping below. No way! Where are you from, Anessa? Yeah, I'm South African. Break even will be nice here. Preview on Discord for you. Thanks, Debbie. I'm Pinky, you're the... I appreciate you thinking that, but yeah. It's fine. Okay. Like I said, I didn't actually take this. Wonder if we test this again. If it's actually going to be a good solid indication that we can go for it. What's up, Wesley Beats? How you doing? Oh, you're in the Jersey area. That's awesome. Wait. I wanted to go and stalk what's his face. Where'd you go? I got distracted. Jacob Snake Up. Aha. Sorry, stalk sounds rough. That's the wrong word. 22.5k subscribers. The noise. What do you do? Oh, kind of like the news. You are useful to have. What's happening now, by the way? Sorry, that sounds rude. You are useful to have. Like, anyone has any claim of anyone. Sorry. On YouTube, our dogs would hang. We could get rich off of affiliate codes. Well, you say that. Affiliate codes is me. Like, the affiliate code is actually more there for you guys to get a discount. Not a lot of people have seized that opportunity, just FYI. But yeah, the affiliate codes are actually more for you guys. I don't actually make that much off of affiliate codes. Wesley Beats, what's up? Am I going to trade CPI? I will be here. Am I going to place a trade though? So slow, I know. What was the fun fact of the day today? Something with spin? You spin my world around? Huh, Alex. I mean, theoretically it was to do with spinning around the sun. Oh, have you guys heard like this pickup line, but it's actually not a pickup line? Oh, it's so funny. It goes, are you the sun? And then people think you're gonna say, because you light up my life, and blah, blah, blah. But you go, no, are you the sun? Because you need to stay like 9 million kilometers away from me. Or 9 billion kilometers away from me, something like that. And I was like, oh, damn. Once your stream spreads more in the States, you'll never... let's see. I'm still here chilling. It's Jacob Snake Up, so correct me if I'm wrong. You do like news stories, right? That's your thing? Very, very cool. By the way, very, very cool. Good engulfing over here. Let's see. So this actually now would have been a sugar honey iced tea, but it's okay. It's okay. I am kind of testing this. I want to see how it reacts off of levels. Which ones in particular? Is it the single ones that are more of a oomph to it? Is it the ones where it's like 3 in a row that it rejects off of better? Like I said, this is like my first day kind of really using the volume profile solidly. Look at it go! Mother bluffer. Oh well, it's fine. Interesting. Okay, so that actually would have been a solid win, and I probably would have left a runner down to these levels. That being said, let's see what happens here. Wait. Oh, just for a few if it comes back up. It did just take out... Did do that little bit of a sweep. Sorry, I had hiccups there. Maybe I'm too late. Maybe I'm trying to... I don't even want to say this is trying to catch a falling knife. Let's just be real. This is not catching anything. 3? 4? I'll make it 4. I'm not even making it massive today. This just doesn't line up so nicely. Not great low volume nodes going on around here. I almost expected to retest back up here again. But that being said, 1, 2. Dagnabbit, it's a B setup, it's not an A+. How does it react? Blade, that was good! That was amazing! Sorry, are you the sun because you make my eyes hurt? That was good, that was solid, I like that. Oh, thanks, Michelle, you're so sweet. I blew an account pre-market Tuesday when Trump's in it. No, it's not demo. This is my funded account. What's up? Oh, here we go. This is why I said I didn't... This is going to be fun. Yeah, I said I didn't like any of these. The low volume node that's actually best is right by stop loss. So which means this actually would be the better range to take. Because we have this low volume node. Ooh! That is pretty... Okay, let's see how this goes. Sorry, I'm now getting very, like, fixated on this. Oh no, I'm running out of time! I have to go soon. Okay. So that actually was the better one to take. We got some low volume nodes that are in correlation with it. Let's see how it reacts off of there. Sorry, I am low-key forward testing during London. I'm seizing the opportunity. Is what I'm seeing and what I'm saying kind of making sense? Do you guys agree with me, or do you think I'm kind of talking rubbish? Do you think this is a good added confluence to add to my strategy as more of an exact, instead of me thinking which is the best range, you almost have confirmation of, aha, right above that range or right by the entry is a proper low volume node that it could solidly reject off of, which means that you are good to go. Hammer, no, I didn't take it. You think it's gonna go higher? Add some more? David, what the? I know. Explorer, you are talking. Yes, I am. 24910. Oh, lower down. Oh, interesting. Okay, so let's see. What did this react off of? Problem is, I saw me. Oh, okay, that's a solid one. Yeah, kept projecting off of there. So that is then the better range. The only problem is that. Just above. But I mean, if you get fixated on that, you could be like, huh, could keep going up. Just have to focus on the range you have now. No, don't do it. I was going to then want to draw like another range, but that could just confuse the hey diddly day out of you. See if a higher low is going to be created here or not. Alex, check your last message. Sorry, let me see. For the Earth, I'll be the moon. Because I'm locked in. That is amazing. Oh. Yeah, some of you missed the fun fact of the day. Do you guys want to see what the fun fact of the day was today? Yes, no, maybe? Fabio, really? Why? Is the volume not great? Maybe I'm just talking low, sorry. Still bullish though, it's a big demand zone. Interesting. Hey Sean, what's up? The problem is that spike was 50 of the drop. Fixation also has 50 covered, so what's next? If they build more here, only two things, massive drop or spike up. Apparently massive drop. Well, okay, I mean, we're jumping ahead, go away. Jumping ahead a little bit here. Let's see, so this is the engulfing. Oh, I'm so tempted to do this. Oh, I'm so tempted, but let's wait. Ew, okay, so I see it also created an SMT on NQ. It did not take out the lows on ES. I think it really wants to take out the lows on ES. Let's see what it does here. It could want to go back up one last time. Let's check out here. Level here. Check. Interesting. Okay. I like it. We're evolving. That's what trading is all about. You gotta evolve your strategy as it goes. If it's gonna be a chip chop mess, you gotta go with it. That was a decent engulfing. Low-key tempted to take one contract down to these. All of these. Nami liquidity level. Could retrace back into Bob level. Ooh. The other entry for here is Apollo, breathe. What? Oxygen. Jimmy Jones, what's up? Jimmy Jones, I'm trading Nasdaq futures. How are we doing? And And Vincent, just like that, you are getting put on a timeout. Where are you? I have to find you. Where'd you go? Where'd you come from? Where did you go? Where'd you come from, Vincent? Where? Bro, why can I not find you? Where are you? Where are you? Oh my gosh, I can't find you. How annoying. Jacob, Snake Up, if you're still here, so I'm curious about like the news and stuff, right? So you say you stream it, so do you hop on live and stream what's happening on the news like currently, or do you go back and make videos? Genuinely curious about it. I think it's very interesting, and that's such a niche thing to be streaming about the news. That's very, very cool. Oh, a rejection here. Let's see how it rejects off of here. Just going off of this low volume node, this might be where it starts to solidly reject down. Let's see if we're gonna call that right or not. Where my mouse is. I'm to reverse there. Hey guys, I am so sorry if I've missed a bunch of messages. I do thoroughly apologize. Okay, a little bit of a rejection off of there. Not quite as much as I thought. Okay, a new volume node created high above. Okay, not quite what I wanted to see. Hey, Shani, what's up? How are you doing? Off the breaks, 24909. I'll come down and grab 24869. 869, time to be alive. I said, woo, oversold 515. I'm doing major demand zone. Hey, USA Diary, how are we doing? 24884, you still keen on 24884? Oh. Don't do it, 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 do not do it, do not do it. Like I said, I still kind of want to go in bob to bob level, or at least bob back down to this, what's 892-ish level? Oh no, but I'm running out of time! No! I'm kind of really into this now. But, you know, gotta take a break from the charts because I'm still back for the New York session. Can't just like... Does my hair look like that the whole time? And no one had the audacity to be like, oh, you look like an idiot. Anyways, let's see. Solid rejection off of that. Did not close above. And into this low volume node. Oh, would have wanted to see it go a little bit higher to tap into that 50%, but that's okay. Janie, I'm good. Long time no see. Yeah. Is he? Where is he? Why can I not find him? Where are you from? How do I get rid of you? Gosh, you're irritating. Anyways, moving on. Jake, your breaking news in general. I started off covering protests first. Oh, that's super interesting. Okay. Out of curiosity, what made you want to start that? Just... You wanted to cover breaking news? Obviously. Oh, maybe did you have like a different goal? Did you maybe want to be a journalist? News presenter? I lost $160. No! USA Diary! What happened? What happened? Why can I not see this human being? Hey QV, what's up? Did you send it? I haven't checked out Nasdaq just yet. I mean Nasdaq. I have not checked out Discord just yet. Ooh, okay, solid rejection off of this. Let's see if it continues rejecting. Rejecting me. See, so in this situation where I can see that this is lower, you could potentially move it, take a partial there, and then leave that as runners. So there, partial could have been taken. This is interesting. Yeah, I'm trying to see how I can improve, right? Because sometimes those missed ticks are so frustrating, and you can see it's these low volume nodes right here where those missed ticks come into play. There we go. That second rejection actually would have been a good for getting in to go bob to bob. Nice. Let's see if it takes out these lows. Well, this liquidity level over here before I have to go. We are in profit and protected trading now. High man gold touch 50% level now. Gold is sustained today. 20 years to one lot size less than 50. Nice. Hey, Dom, whoop whoop. Anyone else with winning trades, y'all get a whoop whoop. Can I just say I am up 40 cents today, so we all know who the real winner is. It ain't me. But anyways, yeah, seriously, whoop whoop to anyone that had a solid winning streak or winning trade today. Especially this has not been the easiest market. It's been a little bit choppy and a little bit volatile. Not terrible. Like, I know we've definitely seen worse in this current market state, but still. Oh, there we go. I found him. Heck yeah. Go away. Whew. Okay. Gosh, she's irritating. Yeah. Okay, there we go. QV. Sorry, I'm really bad at responding to the other live. My bad. If you want to see it, they can see it and be manipulated. I mean, that makes sense. The large audience that wants live updates. I was also one of them. Figured it would just do it myself. True. I'm a new subscriber, man. I know a little bit of Hindi. That's cool. QV thinks it's bearish. Let's see. So here, rejection off of that level. Ah, there we go. So last one, I promise. So we can see here that the 50% is not in an ideal. Maybe if I know. Let's see. So 50% to line up here. Yeah. To get tagged in. Let's see how this goes. Only problem is this little volume node, but it's still below the stop loss. So let's see. Just increases the chances of getting tagged in, I guess, eh? He was on Tick'em-Tock'ems. So the Kesha. Was it Kesha? Was on TikTok? It was. Oh, made 1.8k today. Whoop whoop, that's amazing! Share the love. Come on, people. I made 40 cents today. Winning. Aw, guys. Aw, guys. Aw. Boo, I'm having fun. Oh well, we'll be back for the New York session. I'm saying boo because it's time for me to go. But it's okay. Damn, I wanted to see it take out those lows. Come on, do it quickly. Go on, go get them. Go get them. Go. No, okay, I went the opposite way as I said that. Moving on. I'm gonna head out. I gotta go touch some grass, ride some horses. This was actually a really productive London session. So no. Yeah, okay, I could have taken that other trade. It would have been a win. It's fine. Okay. I did take at least one trade and I won 40 cents. You know, I don't mean to brag or anything, but it is what it is. Hey! So close. It nearly took them. It nearly took them. Come on, take it before I leave. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Take them out. Take them out. Okay, never mind. Thank you. I love you guys madly. I will be back. Oh, never mind. Would have taken me out of my misery. I love you guys madly. I'll be back. New York. Yes, ooh. Oh, it's It's stop loss hunting right now. Good luck for anyone that's in this. I'm outie. I'll see you guys New York session. Be there, be square. I love you guys. Thanks for joining. Thanks for having fun with me. I will be back later. You guys are amazing. Again, shout out to all of you. This would be nothing without this amazing community. So see you later. Don't forget to press that like button. Discord is in the description below if you guys want to join the Discord. And if you guys want discounts, you can use my affiliate code TeachMaya, all caps, no gaps. Okay, that's it. That's my spiel. I love you guys. Trade safe. Love you madly. Bye.